Tonight we're going to saute some vegetables, and you can see that the coals are about ready. So I'm going to throw the wok on and have that heat up for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to add some oil, grapeseed oil, whatever you have in your kitchen. And then I just cut up any vegetables that I have left over. Alright, I'm going to cover them up and wait for them to get tender, and then we're going to add some chicken. Alright, the veggies are almost ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to put these on the extension. I'm going to put the griddle on, spray this, and then we're going to add the chicken. And we're going to cook everything at the same. Oh, I'm going to let that heat up for 5 minutes. Alright, let's see how the chicken's doing. And again, this is really hot. Oh yeah, that's smelling good. Okay. Alright, so we'll flip it, let it cook for probably another 5 minutes, and we'll see, and it should be finished. Alright, let's check the vegetables and we'll check the chicken, and I think we will be finished. The peppers and the onions look good. Alright, we're going to take that off. Check out the chicken. And yeah, those are firm. So we are ready for dinner.